So Rivers State is a PDP state. When I hear some people saying that, oh, these people are this, that, the honorable member said he has gotten people in APC. I'm not an APC man, and I will not be in APC. I'm PDP acting chairman, and I'm proud to be a PDP man. So those who are saying PDP, APC, that is their business, I'm a core PDP man. From secretary of party in my local government, to the chairman, the longest serving party chairman in this great party for 12 years, to the deputy chairman, today I'm the acting state chairman. I paid my dues in this party. Those who see making noise all around the state are those who never believed in this party. This party took Governor Wike time to stabilize this party in this country. He's a PDP member. Those who are telling you he's a PDP member, they want to achieve nothing from nothing. So I'm a core PDP man. Fubara is a PDP man. Our assembly members had become to APC. I was not aware of it. And when I got the hint, I consulted the stakeholders of our great party, the elders of the party, and then also reported to the national, and national is handed that issue. So for any person coming to say, assembly become the party chairman never made anything, it's neither here nor there. Because that issue is before the national. So if you are looking for people to support you, you should join me. Join me. 2 years ago, we went to the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria for peace accord in Rivers State. The President said I should join in the peace. I said, His Excellency, you were there. I said, His Excellency, I cannot leave PDP. I have blood of PDP in my body. I cannot. And then for people, as I speak here, they say they are doing peaceful protest. I don't know what we are protesting for. People say we are for Fubara, we are support group. Are we doing election? Are we doing campaign? Siminilaya Fubara won in the 22 local government of Rivers State. Free and fair election we did, and they won. All was because of the good works of Chief and Wike. And we went to all the local government campaign, toiled ran, and won that election. Those who want to mechanize the party are people who never supported us. And we cannot go around watching them coming here to tell you this is the job, this is the way. It's neither here nor there. We are Rivers people, we are PDP people, we are one family. Whatever you see happening now is a thing that this is the damage we got massive. And I'm assuring you that peace is almost coming to stabilize the state. All of us went to Abuja on Monday on the invitation of the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, His Excellency TINUBU Bola Tinubu. And we met. All of us resolved. Before the President, there was no dissenting voice in that agreement. The President read all the 8 items that they were protesting today, one after the other. As he would call number 1, the National Assembly member were in that meeting, the chairman were in that meeting. The President never called us and said, sign document. No. The President addressed all of us, Rivers men and women, whoever 150 persons in that meeting. Both traditional rulers, the Amanaba of Popo was there, Amanaba of Boni was there, Chief Awuse, to mention a few. Our governor, former governor, PDP, after the President addressed us, he said he should read the communique to read out all the directives that he has given. As we read point 1, the President will ask, do you agree? We say, His Excellency will agree. Point 2, do you agree? Every person says, we agree. Till the last one, the 8th one, all of us agree. There was no person that said no. And then after the agreement, he said, speeches. The governor spoke and also thanked the President. Our leader, the former governor, he spoke. The speaker of the University of Australia, spoke. Thank the President for bringing peace. All of us. At the end of the day, those who also spoke said no person should be victimized because of what has happened. We all ended peacefully, then we came to the level of signing. The governor signed, Right Honorable Martin will sign, the speaker. The deputy governor signed, I signed, the APC caretaker chairman signed, the Honorable Minister for FCT signed, the security advisor, Nuhu, about to sign, and then we close with an opening prayer. We close the prayer. The former governor thanked him for bringing peace. All of them, there was nothing like it. So hearing some persons coming to say it was under duress, some persons saying they never signed. I signed because my governor has signed. If governor had said I didn't agree with it, we would have started at that point. Or the minister said I didn't agree. No person will go to sign. We went with them, they took us to Abuja. And as they signed, we signed. So for somebody coming to protest, I don't know whether you are protesting against the president or you are protesting against those that signed. But I want to tell you people one thing, that the governor Siminilaya Fubara meant well for Rivers people. Wike meant well for Rivers people. These two people, if you know the history, how they came, now civil servants are jubilating. It was the same Wike who brought Siminilaya Fubara, the governor. And as at that time, the politicians, those who are talking now, are those who said, how? He said, no, let's try the civil servant. And the man is doing well now. I think they are commending him. As you are commending him, you are castigating the man who brought him. We can't accept that. All we need is peace in PDP. The people who are doing this thing are not members of my party. Some of them have come to PDP. Next every election, they will go to another party. If they run, if they lose favor, then they go to the other party. But I've been consistent since 1999 to today. And that is why I can only speak on behalf of PDP. So I want to beg you people, the good people of Africa, let no person come here to deceive you, telling you that this quarrel between the governor and his political father, that it is Ikwere and the job, it's not true. It's not true. Let no person bring that. There are those who want to benefit from it. If you are saying that, you are not telling me to regret for bringing in. Because some of those who are saying this is not never supported our governor. Those who are writing every day, social media, taking one decision or the other that was not even meant to the party. Never took part in our campaign. I went to the 22 local government of our state to campaign as I don't about the deputy chairman of the Great Party. I never saw them. So what are you coming to tell me here? This group is supporting Siminilaya Fubara. Are we doing campaign? Are we campaigning? Siminilaya won in 22 local government. There is no rerun, nothing about that. It was a free and fair election. He has won in tribunal, he has won in appeal. He will win in Supreme Court because it was a clear election. So for those who are coming to tell me, come and tell me, you want to organize PDP, and we shall resist it. We shall. Because it's not for good interest of our party. So then they will come and tell you, oh, the acting chairman is Wike person is APC. My blood is PDP. I can't tell you APC. See the National Assembly member, you are part of us. You are part of us, you know what I'm saying. We know those who are APC. APC is in charge of federal government, but Rivers State is PDP. So I will reap where I have sown. I campaign, I work for women, and that is where I am. And that is why today we have distributed Xmas to all the wards in the state. So that they will tell you. So let no person come to deceive you here. When they come to tell you that this is the job, this is the way, it's not an issue of the job matter. It's a Rivers matter. And we are always coming to the end of this matter because the president has intervened. Having said that, I want to thank you, the king, for the support that you have always given to the chairman, for the support that you have always given to PDP as your party. I want to thank you on behalf of the State Working Committee and the CR to say we are very, very grateful for all your support. Don't allow PDP to destroy. Don't allow those people who are not members of our party that are coming through the back door. They are coming through the back door, going from word to word to see how they can organize the party and go back to where they came from. PDP must stand because the Governor Siminilaya Fubara has good intention for us. Chief President Wike has good intention for us. Let's look at the PDP, not an APC man. So let no person come when they want to tell you story. They say the people let to get APC. This here, we are all PDP members. I'm speaking to you